Is it accurate to say that you are searching for a fast, yet straightforward technique to make your own commercial center? At that point you are going to look into my MarketPresso review. Has it at any point occurred to you that building up and maintaining your business will be a lot simpler in the event that you have your own commercial center? It will resemble having your very own realm, and you don't need to impart anything to anybody. The just one can put any new item or administration there is you, the clients will be yours and yours just, and you can approach your day without stressing that opponents will come and take the spotlight. Sounds intriguing? Would you like to get an opportunity to savor those? At that point look at the remainder of my MarketPresso review to find the good pace very simple approach to set up a restrictive commercial center where everything is heavily influenced by you. This can be your ticket out of extreme challenge and to incredible achievement, so I'm certain that you won't have any desire to miss it. What is MarketPresso? MarketPresso is a fresh out of the plastic new apparatus with a superlative component that you have most likely never found in some other items out there, the capacity to let you fabricate a flourishing commercial center and use it however you see fit. As it were, you can set up your own image and begin selling items or administrations, setting up an organization, doing independent work, or whatever you have as a top priority there. Is it true that it isn't incredible? Presently, I realize that you may previously experienced the difficulty of running and dealing with a beneficial business on customary commercial centers, for example, savor. The challenge is extreme. You can be beaten by opponents and wind up losing customers, and things can go south at any minute. Also, you will be accused of 20% charge or considerably more per deal. Consequently, getting an individual commercial center is by all accounts the correct move. The best thing? MarketPresso is an absolutely novice neighborly instrument. So in any event, when you can't make head or tails of anything identified with innovation, you will have the option to work with it in a matter of seconds. Presently, I realize that you may previously experienced the difficulty of running and dealing with a beneficial business on customary commercial centers, for example, savor. The challenge is extreme. You can be beaten by opponents and wind up losing customers, and things can go south at any minute. Also, you will be accused of 20% charge or considerably more per deal. Consequently, getting an individual commercial center is by all accounts the correct move. The best thing? MarketPresso is an absolutely novice neighborly instrument. So in any event, when you can't make head or tails of anything identified with innovation, you will have the option to work with it in a matter of seconds. About the author. At this point, I accept that you have developed acquainted with the name Karthik Ramani. With long stretches of understanding as an advertiser just as a strong foundation in programming improvement, he has propelled huge amounts of fantastic items that went directly to numerous clients' preferred rundown after only a brief time of dispatch. In this way, have confidence that MarketPresso will satisfy your hopes. How can it work? So as to set up your own commercial center utilizing MarketPresso, you will just need to experience 4 straightforward advances. Here they are. Stage 1. Customize your new commercial center. Everything basic for a nice commercial center will be there. You just need to change the all-out look with the goal that it shows up simple on the eyes. Stage 2. Add the subtleties your administrations and items. Stage 3. Assign a cost. Stage 4. Connect the installment door to gather your cash later on. Package inside. Can sell marketplace to clients. Can create up to 10 marketplaces. Create online marketplace for any service you want to sell online. Beautiful profile page for branding. Category. Subcategory. Smart menu. Highly converting service page. Service packages. Smart pricing. Inbuilt messaging system with clients. Real-time order and message notifications. Testimonials and reviews. Add to cart. Runs on our blazing fast servers with your branding. Payment gateway integration. Add custom code. Add badges on offers. Global languages translation sell worldwide. Browsing history. Email integration. FAQ in your marketplace. Mobile-friendly platform. User management and customers profile. 100% cloud-based app. User login. Adding blog content for traffic.